All right, ladies and gentlemen, again for your DBQ, now that all of you have it, we are going over the Missouri Compromise. We've done this numerous times. You have 6 documents in this packet. They are all primary source documents dealing with the Missouri Compromise, and alongside it is 8 questions to go with those 6 documents, as well as a brief essay that you will be writing about all the documents in the end. There is actually a question that you'll be answering at the very end when you go through this 6 documents. Jayla, can I get you to read the question for me?
Agree or disagree with this statement? The United States Supreme Court was justified in declaring the Missouri Compromise unconstitutionally based on Dred Scott case. In other words, popular sovereignty or states' rights was permanent based on the U.S. Constitution. State and defend your position using facts from the provided documents and your knowledge of the historical period 1820 through 1860.
All right, so everyone, thank you, Jayla. Your task is to agree or disagree with the statement the United States Supreme Court was justified in declaring the Missouri Compromise unconstitutional based on the Dred Scott case. And you're going to be using these 6 documents to help answer if you agree or disagree, as well as going through the 8 questions. Does anyone have any questions about what we're doing? Nope. All right, feel free to work on your own, but you are able to work in groups on this assignment. Just make sure you stay on task. I'll be around to help if you have any questions. The rest of the time is yours to get started on this assignment. Feel free to get in groups or on your own if you like. If you need more space, you can space out if it's tight. You move your desks back a little. Jamar has a good question. The historical overview part is just telling you what these documents are about, how they fit together. So make sure you read the historical overview part before you get into the documents, or else you won't really understand the documents themselves. Yes. You agree or disagree with this? United States.
This in the evidence to maintain balance. Number 3.
So yes or no, was it justified in doing so? But you won't know that until you actually go through. Ignore this, hold this for the very end, and answer these questions. So in this right here is the law. What does this law actually say about states? What does it have to do with states itself? What does it change? What does it enforce? What provisions
a citizen with rights to sue in the federal court. And
so this is basically saying
John F. Sanford was a landmark U.S. Supreme Court decision which has historically given credit caused the Civil War. Dred Scott was a Missouri slave for a period of time.
yes.
lived with his owner free territory in Wisconsin, Illinois, as determined by the Missouri Compromise. Upon return to Missouri, Scott sued for his freedom, stating that residing in freedom territory had made him legally free. The case went through the Missouri courts and ultimately ended before U.S. Supreme Court. The three primary questions before the court were: did reside in the free territory entitle enslaved freedom to be slavery of the Missouri was Missouri Compromise constitutional?
The U.S. Supreme Court decision of Scott v. Sanford was further inflamed anti-slavery feelings in the North and at the same time confirmed the legal use of slavery for foreigners in the South in a period of time that allowed for little political social.
Feel free if you need any questions. I've already gone around and answered a few. If you're having questions with the documents, please tell me so I can help you.
Gotta read the document first. Missouri Compromise.
Contemplated. It's like thought out.
That in all legal reference to the United States under the name of Louisiana, which lies north of 36 degrees and 30 minutes north latitude, not included within the limits of the state, contemplated
Reclaim equitable to person as a labor or service for sale.
Okay, so Mr. Story.
1 second. Maybe I should
Saying only slaves, and it's saying any slaves presented to the North must be returned to their owners.
Slavery was contained.
Madison.
What is this word?
Legislation. So this is a law. So it's another word within this law. So what does it tell you about slavery within this law?
What provisions regarding slavery was contained with the legislation? But this question only goes to this part.
Yes. All right, so which provision regarding slavery was contained within this legislation? If you look at here, legislation just means law. So this is a law. Inside of this law, if you look at the very bottom, any person escaping into the same from whom labor or service is lawfully claimed in any state or territory of the United States, such fugitive may be lawfully reclaimed to the person claiming his or her labor. So in a very complicated way, that is saying if a slave makes it to the north and they are caught, even though they're in the north where it's free, they now have to be taken back to their master. So it's the Runaway Slave Act. It's the idea that even in the north, slaves are no longer safe. They have to be shipped back to their master if they're caught. So slave